Oh no, I'm going for it.
You're going for it. Hey guys, so if you're just now joining in, Chef here is breaking down a chicken blindfolded and trying to keep all 5 fingers on his hand at the same time.
Just try not to. I could do it. I just don't want to make a mess.
I'll clean it up.
Staying on the cutting board, right?
Yep.
The only thing that's hard is you can't see where that joint is. That's the only thing I'm struggling. Ah! Alright, slow down. Find the joint. There it is. There we go. Alright. Bottom leg quarter. Let's finish up this breast here. Ouch, 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 ouch.
Oh my gosh, babe, are you okay?
That was close. Alright. Let's just see it. Alright. Breaking down the wing section, right?
You got this.
Breast. Want the tenderloin off?
Go for it. Chicken tendies. Here we go.
Chicken tendy. Chicken breast with skin. Alright, got our wing section here. I don't like this little nub, so we'll take this nub off.
Can you sing a song?
Chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets.
Chicken wing, chicken wing.
I'm not gonna lose my finger while singing. As a chef, I do actually need these.
For entertainment's sake.
Alright. Find my finger here in the good way. Break that joint. Could do this a lot faster if I could see where that little nub is.
I think years ago you did a speed round.
Yeah.
We need to find how many seconds exactly that was and see if you could beat your own record.
Oh gosh.
Not blindfolded.
I say please not blindfolded.
Not blindfolded.
Alright, first half of the chicken is broken down. Alright, let's get the chicken sitting. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and take you off. So I got you in my reach here. Take you off. I should have practiced before I did this, you know? I saw Gordon Ramsay do it, and I was like, you know, how hard can it be? You know? As I'm fighting to keep all of my fingers together. There you go.
How long did he do this in? Do you know?
Oh, it took him about 10 minutes to do it. I mean, you'll never really know because it's edited down. Chicken wing. Little nub is hard to get off. Just gotta find that joint. tips off. Wing.
You make this look so easy.
Find that joint.
Really, like, that was beautiful. You're gonna look at this video and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh. If not, you should. You didn't take the leg off on the other side.
I just figured I would on this one.
Okay.
I mean, I normally kind of leave them intact anyways when I butcher dough. Look right through that joint. Are you serious, Jonathan?
I'm telling you, you're crushing this.
Am I close? All right, chicken leg.
I don't know my right from my left, or I would have been able to help you.
All right, I need the breast next. So I need to find that top chest plate. I'm working a little slower. This is a very sharp knife. I'd say most of the folks won't use my knives because they're so sharp. Working it. Work it. Doesn't feel right. I feel like I'm leaving meat on the bone.
It's not the end of the world. There's not, maybe, but a chicken nugget's worth of meat on there.
Okay. All right, if you say so. I'll listen to the boss.
Maybe a little bit bigger, but it's honestly, you're going to be very proud of yourself. I would be proud of me if I were you.
I think I left the tender on. That's
Yeah.
what it is. It's the
The
tender
tender's
that's...
on, and you've got a small piece of the breast, but it's not. Again,
Where's
it's...
that? Determined. Where's that?
Okay.
Is that the tender right there? No.
Just pick up that piece. No, you got it. Pick up your piece. Feel it around.
Oh, right
There it is,
there.
right there.
There we go.
No verbal directions, just the words right there.
There we go. And then there we go.
Get blindfold off.
Whole chicken, broken down. I'm scared to see it, what it looks like after doing it, but let's do it.
Here, no, oh, that's good. Let me walk you to the sink and then you can come back.
All right, okay, so yeah. Biggest error was like that little chicken nugget right there, but
Like I said, not more than probably a chicken nugget's worth. Boom.
no reason why you can't be butchering your chicken yourself.
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna.
If you enjoyed this video as much as I did, just kind of goofing off in the kitchen, make sure you hit the subscribe. If you are enjoying this content, like, Jonathan, I want to learn more, make sure you hit the link down below. That's going to take you to our website, homesteadingchef.com, where we have a mail newsletter. And so basically, once a month, I email you an amazing newsletter that's got behind the scenes content, exclusive things from the podcast and different videos that do not go into the public forum of the YouTube. And it's a great way to kind of hang out, be a part of the team, and have influence on what we're going to be posting next. So we'll see you next time here on Homesteading Chef.